Okay, today we are talking about thermowells. So what is a thermowell? Here's 4 examples. This one here has a straight stem. This one has a tapered stem. This one has a twisted or helical stem. This one has a step stem. And basically the stem is what protrudes down inside your process piping, and then your temperature probe sits down inside that thermowell. And the purpose of a thermowell is a couple things, but mainly to protect your sensitive temp sensors like RTDs or thermocouples from extreme vibration or high flow rates through your piping that might break, a sensitive temperature probe. They come in different materials: stainless steel, brass, and the reason for the different shapes, the tapered and twisted, are going to help reduce the vibration that comes through your process piping, has faster response times, and greater structural stiffness when you're dealing with high velocities of fluids flowing through your piping. And as far as how they connect, there's different connection options. The brass one here you can see simply threads into an existing NPT coupler on the pipe. The next one over you can see is actually welded to the pipe. That third one is like a sanitary clamp-on style. And then that fourth one is a standard 150-pound pipe flange connection. Other advantages of using a thermowell to protect your temperature probes is there's no need to shut down your system to replace a failed temperature probe. Because again, that thermowell sits inside the pipe, not the actual temperature probe itself. So your temperature probe stays protected, clean and dry, easy to replace without shutting down the system. And again, it protects them from high flow rates, high pressures, or corrosive materials that is flowing through your process piping. I hope you find this helpful. And now I'd like to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook available now in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, tags, signage, resource and training material, as well as common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. If you need hats, shirts, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this online facilities maintenance store where you can procure the products that you see here. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.